Hello, animals.
Hi, teacher.
What are we doing today?
We're going on a field trip to the toothpaste factory.
Tweet, tweet, I don't want to go.
Nightingale, you have to come with us.
Why does Nightingale have to go?
You have to be on your best behavior, Nightingale, okay?
Tweet, tweet. Okay. All right, who's going?
Okay. Let's call the animals who's going.
Alligator,
Nope.
bear, camel, dolphin, elephant, flamingo, giraffe, hippo, iguana, jaguar, koala, lion, monkey, nightingale, ostrich, penguin, quail, rhinoceros, seal, tiger, urial, vulture, walrus, x-ray fish, yak, and zebra.
I'm going too.
Is that it?
I'm going too.
All right.
That's 8 animals.
That's 8 animals. Okay. All right. You ready, animals? Tweet, tweet, I don't want to go. Nightingale, you have to go.
All right, let's
It'll
get
be
in the
fun.
bus.
All right, everybody get in the bus.
Elephant and rhinoceros.
I'm up first. Nightingale, stop jumping on.
Monkey and yak. Dolphin and Dolphin and x-ray fish. And nightingale and iguana.
All right, let's go. All right, we're at the toothpaste factory.
Everyone get off the bus.
I don't want to go.
Hi, everyone. Welcome to the toothpaste factory. My name is Mrs. Riley. I work here.
Hello, Miss Riley.
Do you want to see my nails, Nightingale?
Tweet, tweet, nice nails.
What color are they?
Tweet, tweet, red.
Nightingale, no!
Nightingale, don't nibble.
Don't paint my beak red.
All right, everybody, let's go to try the toothpaste.
All right, everyone. Everybody, listen. Everyone needs to brush their teeth every 2 times a day to keep their teeth healthy and strong.
That is true.
First, we put the toothpaste just a little on the toothbrush. Nightingale, stop.
Nightingale, we don't need toothpaste. It's for brushing, not eating.
All right, everyone. Make sure everyone get your toothbrushes out and let's brush your teeth.
Good job, everybody.
Everyone rinse your water. Good job.